Hi, are you alright? How are you? Thank you for joining me. In today's video I'll be showing you how to repair a PlayStation 4 controller. I'll be showing you how to change all the parts inside them, especially if the triggers are broken or if the triggers are not pulling or being as responsive as they should be. There's some rubbers inside. I'll explain more of that when we get into it, but it's an easy job to do. A lot of people who are not technically minded will get a bit skeptical of doing it, but if you just follow the steps of this video, very easy job to do. It's just like changing a plug. A good tip when you are taking things apart, as soon as you're taking the casing off, take a picture of it. And then if you do forget how something goes, you can refer to the picture. Anyway, zoom in so as we can see what I'm doing. Come on, zoom in. Where's the cameraman? Who's doing this camera? Shit. Do it himself. Okay, so here we are. I've set the cameraman, by the way. Okay, you're going to need a very small Phillips head screwdriver. You can usually get them in sets. I'll put a link in the description if you haven't already got a set of these. They do come in handy. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's all we need to take out. So, sorry, you can get one of these in set as well. Pop it in there. I don't know why this one's. That's it. Let's crack it apart. There you go. Right, lift it up. You lift those over. And lift them over. Just, don't worry about that coming out with it. And to separate it completely, you've got a little ribbon connector there. Okay, you can just pull that out. Put that to one side. And then these come out as well. There you go, that's the rubbers. Little holes inside there. They all slot in. So push that down there. Okay, that's on. And the buttons, they all click in. Don't force them in, make sure you get them lined up properly. And just click them into place. Like that. Good. Like that. Line it up in the groove. And just tuck it down into place. The battery, you can just pull it out. And you can change that battery over. If this battery is no good, make sure you get the right one for your battery. We'll take it apart this way till I screw out there. That will lift that mechanism out. Sorry, beg your pardon. Little ribbon strip there as well, ribbon connector. The blue, pull the blue part out. There we go. And that is how you get these. They just pull off. Okay, next bit is this. These come off like that, so you can change those over. You can take these out. Put your new buttons in. There's little indentations on each one, so it can fit in the right way like that, see? Then they go in one way. Same on this side. That's your D-pad. Touchpad. Well, so put that back into position there. Don't get this ribbon trapped. Plug that back in. You see it. Doesn't take much force to push it back in. Again, that's back in. Everything lined up. There we go. Okay, so put this little one back in here. Holds all that into place. It's your reset button. You'll see a couple of grooves on the side of that slots that into place as well. Battery. Little grooves on that as well, that can only go in one way. Push that in. It just rests on the top. A casing, ribbon connector. I just push it in very easily, and then when you close it up, go over the top of the first two like that. So it'll just fit over the top of these screw pillars. And then slot into place. Everything's working. It's just a case of putting these 4 screws back in. Everything's working. Well, there you go guys, that's how you take apart and change components of the PS4 Dualshock controller. Doesn't matter which version it is, same principle on all of them. Just make sure you take those pictures. Any questions, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.